Welcome back to Happy Place Cooking. Today I'm going to be making Reese's Muffins. This is a box mix, so this is basically a product review. I have not tried these yet, but I am looking forward to it because I love Reese's. Let's get started. The instructions say to put the mix in the bowl. And I am adding a 1/3 cup of oil, 2/3 cup of water, and 2 eggs. And then just mix it all together. It says that the batter may be lumpy, so if it is lumpy, no worries there. You just need to make sure you get everything mixed together thoroughly. Now I'm going to use my little cookie dough scoop and scoop this in. I'm doing this so hopefully I can make a little bit less of a mess. Supposed to fill these about 1/4 full, and I am using papers because I just don't want to have to clean up the muffin pan after it's done. I'm going to finish filling these and then I'll be back. As you can see, I filled these way more than 1/4 full. I think this cupcake pan is like smaller than a normal one because these don't fit right anyway. These were actually, this came with the little silicone inserts, and I think they were smaller than an actual cupcake, so I probably should have used my other muffin pan, but that's fine. Hopefully they don't rise out and make a big old mess everywhere. I'm a little concerned about this guy. Well, maybe this one. Maybe all of them. They're a little full. They're way more than 1/4 full. They're 1/2 to 3/4 full. But hopefully they don't spew out and make a big old mess. Now, these are going to go in my preheated oven that is preheated to 400 degrees. And they will be in there for probably around 20 minutes, maybe a little longer since I had to make them a little extra thick. There they are, and they didn't spew over. They did get a little muffin topped, but that's okay. They look good. Full 20 minutes at 400. I'm gonna let them cool just a little bit, and then I'll let you know if they're good or not. It's still a little bit warm, but I've got a nice, slightly crispy top. Nice soft spongy bottom. I'm just going to break this open and you can see all the chocolate inside. Give it a taste. Those are not bad. I could stand a little bit more of a peanut butter flavor, but definitely not bad. Nice and moist. It's really good. They definitely will not go to waste. We will be eating all of these. I may freeze a few for a while. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks so much for watching. Happy eating!